Okay, let's see if I can show how to make a backup. First, you go to Documents. Then you select what you want to back up. If you want to back up everything, you click the first thing and you hit Ctrl-a. Ctrl-a will select all the items in your Documents library, or if you're in Windows XP, in My Documents. In my case, this will take a long time to back up, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go within the first item, and I'll just back up the first item inside the first item. So I'm going to back up this one folder, CS140. But, like I said, if I was going to back up the whole thing, I would have done Control-A and backed up all of it. Now, I right-click this folder, and I do Send to Compressed Zipped Folder. Send to Compressed Zip Folder. I click that and it compresses it, and it creates this folder here, which is the same name as this folder here, but it's a zip file instead of a regular folder. Now if I double click on that folder, I can see inside of there is the same folder as this folder. These two are the same. How do I know that it's got the same files in there? Well, I can double click on it again and I can see it. I can also copy it over to my desktop. Now it's copying all those files, and I can see on my desktop, there it is. These are all the same files. So that's how you make a backup, and that's how you test to make sure the backup worked. I generally don't copy it to my desktop. I copy it to a thumb drive, or even copy it to a CD burner. On your computer, you can, when the new computer, you can go to Computer and open up your DVD read-write drive, and you can drag that file to that drive, and it will ask you to insert a disk, and you can burn it right there and then. So that way you keep a permanent record of your backups. You can even burn a CD and then write it again and write it again, so you can reuse the same CD or DVD, which is the way people do that nowadays. But the point of it is that you can do a quick and easy backup, and you don't need to have any backup software. It's all part of the Windows operating system. Now, in my case, I'm not going to keep this folder here. I'm going to go ahead and hit delete. I'm going to delete that because I don't need that folder there. And this zip file here, I'm going to delete this too, because it's a duplicate of all these other files that I have in this directory here. So, hopefully that little video helps you to understand how to do backups. If you have any questions, give me a call.